Hello and welcome to Moving Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Looking back to last week, it was all about inflation. CPI, consumer prices, for the most part, pretty good. So now you have 6 months in a row of decent inflation. And you look at the last 6 months, you're right around 0.9%. So you analyze that, it's under 2%. On the other hand, you have a little bit of service inflation pickup. And same with PPI. PPI was much worse than expected, and a lot of it around service inflation. So sort of a mixed week overall as far as inflation. So clouds the view with the Fed. You have Jackson Hole's speech this week by Chairman Powell. He's likely to hint to a September rate cut, but being very data dependent on the decision as we look to the Fed meeting a couple weeks out. Earnings season's over, and for the most part, solid results across the board. So the market run is likely to hold near term. We can always have a correction, ahead of this September cut, but the markets feel like in decent position overall and pockets of opportunity as well. And this week you get a little bit of housing data and earnings from some of the home builders and housing stocks overall. And again, with consumer confidence picking up over the last few months, those big ticket purchases, mortgage applications have picked up. Housing could be a likely benefactor in the second half of the year. With that, we'll talk next week.